Hi, today I'll be making a detailed comparison of Pika AI and Kling AI, two of the big names pushing text-to-video animation in 2025. I'll walk you through long-form overviews, the main features, the pricing, the pros and cons, and we'll finish with a balanced conclusion on which one is the best text-to-video animation this year. Let's get started. Pika positions itself as a fast, playful idea-to-video platform that's aimed at creators who want to pick quick, stylized shorts and animations. The product is designed around simplicity. All you just need to do is type in a prompt, describe your story as you can see the entry below. You can pick a style or a template and Pika generates short dynamic clips optimized for social formats. Think of it as a creative playground. Quick iteration, lots of presets, and a user-friendly design that is built for non-technical creators. It's especially attractive for content creators on TikTok, Instagram, or YouTube Shorts who want to churn out fun videos quickly without worrying about heavy editing. The focus is on speed and creative variety rather than hyper-realistic movie-style production. Let us talk about Kling AI. It has been evolving rapidly, especially with the 2.0 updates. Unlike Pika, which leans into playful stylized content, Kling emphasizes high-fidelity video generation. Its selling point is advanced motion synthesis, smoother, more natural movement, better consistency across frames, and results that edge closer to cinematic realism. Kling is geared towards creators who want to push quality. The clips feel more polished, as you can see on screen, with stronger continuity in character movement and scene dynamics. As the platform continues rolling out updates, it's clear that Kling is investing heavily in realism and longer-form video creation. Now let us talk about the main features. We start with Pika AI. Text and image to video. You just type your prompts or upload images to instantly create animated short clips. Templates and styles. There's a large library of artistic presets for quick experimentation. And there's quick iteration, faster render times, and free credits for daily use. There's creative editing tools, options to adjust style, swap visuals, or reprompt scenes. And there's social native outputs. Yes, exports are optimized for vertical video and short form sharing. How about Kling AI? Realistic motion. There's a strong motion synthesis and character consistency here. Higher resolution and longer length. The paid tiers will unlock higher resolutions and longer durations. It is also a credit-based system. The number of clips you can make depends on the monthly credits that you have. And there's advanced editing. Yes, you have more control over continuity, framing, and detail. There are ongoing upgrades. The frequent model updates that are steadily improving the quality and speed is what you get from time to time. And as it says on their platform, there are endless possibilities. One concept, infinite ways to bring it to life. Now let us talk about the pricing. For Pika, there's a free plan which is basic. It gives you a limited number of video credits. There is the paid plan which starts from $8 per month for the standard plan. There's the pro plan which starts at $28 per month, and there's the fancy plan at $76 per month. For Kling, as I earlier mentioned, it is credit-based. It has a limited free entry point, but paid tiers are structured by credits, resolution, and the video length. What are the pros and cons of using these platforms? We start with the pros. For Pika, very beginner-friendly with templates and styles, which makes it very easy to use. And there's quick turnaround for short-form content. And the free plan makes it easy to experiment. How about the pros for Kling AI? High quality motion and character consistency. If you're able to do the paid plans, you get access to longer clips and higher resolutions. And there are regular upgrades that help improve the realism and smoothness of production. How about the cons? For Pika AI, it leans more towards stylized animation, not realism. And also, the higher tiers may be for professional use. And the cons of Kling AI? The costs can really add up for frequent and professional use, and credit-based system requires careful management. A slightly more technical learning curve than Pika. So which one should you choose? Honestly, Here's my recommendation. If you're looking for creative experimentation and short social content, you can go with Pika. But if you want realism, higher fidelity, and longer animations, then Kling is the better fit. You can try them side by side on their free tiers to see which output matches your style best. And you can even know by going through their socials. If you're looking to try other alternatives, you may explore Runway, Kaiba, and Luma AI. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and share if you found it helpful, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more updates.